In this video, I'm going to show you how to get X.com, also known as Twitter Blue Premium, step by step. I'll walk you through the account requirements, where to find the premium menu, how to choose the right plan, and how to complete your purchase the right way. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to X.com, then log into the account where you want to activate Premium. Before you try to subscribe, it's important to know that X has a few account requirements that may affect whether you're eligible right away. Your profile should be complete, which means you should have a display name and a profile photo. Your account also needs to be active, so make sure it has been used within the past 30 days. In addition, the account should be older than 30 days, so brand new accounts may not be able to subscribe immediately. Another important thing to keep in mind is that X looks for authentic accounts. That means you should avoid recent changes to your profile photo, display name, or username if possible, because sudden changes can trigger a review. The platform also checks for signs of deceptive behavior, spam, or platform manipulation. So before you move forward, make sure your account looks normal, active, and trustworthy. Once you've confirmed your account is ready, look at the left-hand navigation sidebar. From there, click on Premium. On some accounts, you may need to click More first and then choose Premium from the expanded menu. This will take you to the subscription page where you can compare the available plans. Now you'll usually see different tiers such as Basic, Premium, and Premium Plus. Each one comes with different features, so take a moment to review what's included before you subscribe. If you just want the blue checkmark and core premium benefits, choose the option that best matches your needs. If you want more advanced features, you can go with a higher tier. The key is to pick the plan that gives you the features you actually want, without overpaying for extras you may not use. After selecting your tier, you'll need to choose a billing cycle. X may offer monthly or annual billing, so compare both options carefully. Monthly billing is flexible if you want to try premium first. Annual billing is often better value if you already know you want to keep the subscription long term. Once you decide, click the billing option that fits your budget and your goals. Next, you'll move to the checkout screen. Here, enter your payment details, including your credit or debit card information and your billing address. Make sure all the information is correct before continuing, because billing errors can cause the payment to fail. Once everything looks good, click Subscribe to complete the purchase. After you submit the payment, your account may not get the blue checkmark instantly. In many cases, X places the account into a review process to verify that it meets the safety and authenticity requirements. So if you don't see the badge right away, don't panic. That's completely normal. Just give the platform some time to review your account. And that's it. You now know how to get X.com or Twitter Blue Premium by checking your account eligibility, opening the premium menu, selecting a plan, and completing the subscription process. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.